Talk about catfishing, right? I don't know. Just welcome to my world. I did my hair yesterday, last night. Just because I was messing around with it. But I'm gonna fix it this morning and actually do it. So this is what I'm doing. I saw it on YouTube. I saw it on this girl. Originally I had a bigger one here, but I'm gonna keep it like that. I'm gonna end up pulling it back and curling everything. So I don't know. Just welcome to my world. That's all I can say. It looks crazy right now, but when I'm done, it'll look better. I have hair. I might as well use it, right? Play with it. I don't do nothing to it. One day I'll probably be bald. I can look back and see everything that I did with my hair. To me, hair is art. To me, hair is art. It's not anything like I cherish, like, oh my god, my hair is beautiful. No, I don't. I use it as like an artistic tool, as you can see, because how many times have I colored, cut, bleached, put it in dreads, put it in box braids, put some weave in it, put whatever. I use it as a creative tool. When I'm bored, I do my hair. When I want to feel bougie, I do my hair. I just need a regular gel. Tom! It better be good music. Did I just hear you say bitch?
Me?
Yeah.
Or Kanye say bitch?
No, you cannot play that with your sister up.
She's upstairs. You don't know to me.
Yeah, but you just said bitch real loud.
What did Kanye say?
Remember your sister's only 9?
Okay.
Welcome to my world. I'm not even going to edit that out. It's the life of mine. This is, you know, Tony's back up in the house. He's been gone for a minute, doing his own thing, living on his own. And he thinks, you know, he's going to have to get back into the routine of, this is family life, son. This is not you doing whatever the hell you want to do, when you want to do it, how you want to do it. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Because there's ears and eyes. He's listening to Kanye. Well, Kanye needs to, what the hell? Needs to calm it down a little bit, okay? For my household, please, Kanye, please. Okay. See all the, I don't know if you could see, there was flyaways, because last night I didn't use gel or anything. I kind of was just experimenting. See, so today, we need some baby here. This forehead is way too big. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I was just, you know, looking up all my orange now. I just had really great lighting. Give me my lighting back. Who cares? Anyway, I was just checking all of my my comments, and my homegirl up there, what was her name? Millie J. Millie J. Shout out to you, girl. She just left a comment talking about you should download the Flip app on your phone. You can see all the flyers of stores in your area. It will help you look for those deals. Thank you, girl. I just did that. And shout out to you. This is what it looks like. Flip. You see that? So, guys, my nose still hurts. My nose still hurts from when Andre kicked me in my face. Kneed me in my nose. Oh, God. I really wish I knew how to feed in hair, because I have so much. I have like 3 bundles of hair that I could be using for this, but no, I can't figure it out. It just makes me frustrated. One day I will, though. One day. Okay. That helps my eyes. All right. Let's see. Okay, so how am I supposed to wear my glasses, yo? All right. It says, so I guess you get the flyers from everything. Weekly circular for, okay. All right, so I could look and see what's on sale around everywhere. Thank you, girl. Thank you. I still need to figure out how to coupon, but Rite Aid got earned $10 bonus cash. I will definitely be using that. All right, let's get back to the hair now. Okay, so this one's done. Now we gotta do this one. Don't mind my bed. I should have made my bed for you guys, but I didn't. Oh well. We'll blur that out back there. My sheets falling off. Real life, real talk. Real life. This freaking baby hairs always want to stick up messing with my life. One left, the big one. Don't come in here telling me you're bored, son. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Watching friends and pals. Or no, water.
Want to say hi to the people? Huh?
Hello.
Just for now. Okay. I'm gonna stick it up here because I'm not trying to do it right now. We'll do the baby hair though. Okay, so
there's the baby hair for now. When I'm done, it will look better. Right now, I kind of look like, once I get the curls up here, it'll look cute. So, this is it for now. I gotta do some housework. I gotta go see what my baby's doing. Let's see if I can wear my glasses now. Yeah, good. Even though I got my contacts, I can wear my contacts, but that's what it's looking like for now. I'll be back later when I feel like finishing. All right, guys. I made my bed for you, partially, kind of. So, talk about catfishing, right? This is the final look. I curled my hair with this Revlon Tiny Barrel Curl. It helped out that I had majority of my hair in the braids. So this is what it looks like. And now I am about to make, anyway, I hope you liked this video. I don't even know, like, it was just a bunch of nothing really, just of me doing whatever. But I like this look. I like it. It's different. I'm probably gonna keep it in for a couple days. I gotta wear a scarf around here so that all them baby hairs don't get all jacked up. And yeah, so I'm about to get off and get back on and make this video because I think it's something that needs to be heard. So stay tuned for the next video. Until then, I'll catch you on the flip side. You know I love you, man. Bye, guys. I'm trying to do my thumbnail. Catfish.